Okay, when we're comparing different metric measures, and there's two types of measure, there's metric and imperial, but imperial's like old stuff like miles and pints and stuff like that, and gallons, okay, pounds and ounces, things like that, and stones and things, alright, whereas metric, nice amounts like going hundreds, thousands and tens and things like that. Okay, so we've got to put everything into the same thing. So I suggest we put everything into centimetres here. Alright, so that's already 125 centimetres. So we've got to get everything in the same unit before we can compare it. Now we should know that there's 100 centimetres in a metre. Centi, the prefix centi means it's 100th of a metre. So a centimetre, 100th of a metre. Okay, so this is going to be 120 centimetres. So we already know that 125 centimetres is longer than 120 centimetres. Alright. Now this one, there are 10 millimetres in a centimetre, so this would be 121 centimetres. Now milli, the prefix milli, okay, is a thousandth of, so a millimetre is there's 1,000 millimetres make a metre, all right, and so therefore we can say that this one, hold on, I will just, this one here is the largest. Now there are 1,000 meters in a kilometre, that sort of thing. That's another one. Okay, and then you got grams. I didn't do grams on here because you go from milligrams to grams to kilograms to tons, and it's all 1,000, right? And so 1,000 milligrams makes a gram, 1,000 grams makes a kilogram, 1,000 kilograms makes a ton. But I thought I'd do this one. So we got, and I'll just change the colour to blue, there we go. So how many of these 330 millilitre cans of drink will fit in a 1.5 litre jug? So we need to change this to millilitres, I suggest. Alright, so I'm not working with decimals. And there are 1,000 millilitres. See, milli means 1,000th of, so 1,000 millilitres make a litre. And so we've got to add up how many of these we can fit in. So two of them makes 660, doesn't it? 990, and then so I reckon there's going to be at least 4. Okay, so here we go. So 0, we've got 3, 12. Okay, carry the 1, 12, 13. So we've got 1320 millilitres in 4 cans. Now if I try and fit another one in, so I've got one, hold on, doing a different colour so as not to confuse the issue, hopefully. So 1320 plus another 330. Well, I can already tell that's going to go over 1,500. Alright, oops, that should be a 5. There we go. So that's too big. So I could fit a bit of it in, but I'd have some left over, which would be slightly annoying. So therefore my answer for this is 4. Okay. But yeah, learn your measure, your metric measure conversions are really useful.